The BK602Pro Soldering Station Kit combines a precision soldering iron and a hot air rework station into a single compact unit, making it ideal for intricate soldering and rework tasks. Featuring a large LCD display, it provides real-time updates on power, temperature, and airflow, ensuring accurate and efficient soldering operations. The soldering iron heats up quickly and maintains a stable temperature, suitable for working with both miniature and standard-sized electronic components. With a maximum output power of 550 watts, the hot air rework station is equipped with 17 adjustable airflow levels and an automatic cooling function to enhance durability. The automatic sleep function, temperature presets, and calibration options make it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals engaged in delicate repair work. Additionally, customers can benefit from a 12-month technical service and round-the-clock support, ensuring peace of mind when using the BK602 Pro Soldering Station Kit.